So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.
According to my experience at Evision, it is a great place of Evision to improve my skills in IT networking. After researching a lot cloud computing training course, I had decided to join on 19th September CCNA certification training in Evision. I am Sudhakar, basically from Telangana. I had done BTech Electrical Engineering from Sun Engineering College in 2021. This course t- teaches me more details on networking. The course has self-paced videos, lifetime access. The, the support team is also great and fast response to my queries after my course's completion. I gained all the required knowledge and skills for my jobs. After that, I got placed in Orient Technologies with salary package of 3.36 LPA is highly recommended with the course to everyone. Thank you for Evision and their team provided me a great support. Thank you a lot.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.